Today I'm going to show you how to install Epic Games Online Services, also known as EOS, using a simple method that works through the Epic Games launcher itself. If you've been running into missing dependency issues, launch problems, or a game that refuses to start because Epic Online Services is not installed correctly, this quick fix can save you a lot of time. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC and let it fully load. Once you're in, head over to your library. This is where all of your installed and available games are listed, and this is also where we're going to trigger the EOS installation. Now the key here is to start downloading any free multiplayer game. A good example is Fall Guys or Rocket League. You do not need to keep the game installed if you only want EOS, because the goal is simply to trigger the launcher to repair or install the missing network component in the background. After you choose the game, click download or install and let the launcher begin its setup process. At this point, Epic Games Launcher will check the required dependencies for that title. If Epic Online Services is missing, outdated, or not properly installed, the launcher should automatically detect that and start downloading the Epic Online Services package for you. You may see the download appear as part of the game setup, or you may notice the launcher handling it quietly in the background while the game prepares. This is exactly what you want. Let the process continue and do not interrupt it too early. If a window pops up asking for additional permissions, or if the launcher needs a moment to update components, just allow it to finish. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a short time. Once the EOS package has been downloaded and installed, the launcher should be able to complete the game setup normally. If your goal was just to repair Epic Online Services, you can stop there and cancel the game download after the dependency has been installed, or simply leave it if you plan to install the game anyway. After that, it's a good idea to restart the Epic Games launcher and, if needed, restart your PC so everything registers properly. Then test the game or app that was giving you trouble and see if the issue is resolved. In most cases, this method is enough to get Epic Online Services installed again without having to manually hunt for separate installers. So to quickly recap, open Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, start downloading a free multiplayer game like Fall Guys or Rocket League, and let the launcher detect the missing dependency and install Epic Online Services automatically. If this video helped, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.